Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring Microsoft Excel for data analysis, one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly tools for making sense of data. You might think Excel is just for making tables, but it's actually a full data analysis toolkit. From managing large datasets to applying formulas, Excel helps you quickly organize and understand information without needing advanced coding skills. Here are some of the most useful features: sorting and filtering, easily arrange data and focus only on what matters. Pivot tables, summarize and analyze large datasets in seconds. Charts and graphs, turn numbers into visuals for easy understanding. Formulas and functions, like VLOOKUP, if, and SUMIF, which help you dig deeper into data. Data cleaning tools, remove duplicates, split text, and fix errors for accurate results. Excel is widely used in business, finance, education, and even research. For example, companies analyze sales data, teachers track student performance, and researchers organize survey results, all with Excel. So, if you're starting your journey in data analysis, Excel is the perfect first step before moving on to advanced tools. Which Excel feature do you want me to explain in detail in the next video? Pivot tables, charts, or functions? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more tutorials.